Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Okay, first of all, let us say thanks and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala due to all of His mercy and blessings. So, yeah, we can have a good health, and of course, we can survive in this world until this day. And don't forget to send salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the hero of Muslim who has brought us from the stupidity era into the very smartest era in the world, like develop like a development about knowledge and technology in this modern era, that we all aware of these situations. So, everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Anissa. You can call me Astrid. I'm a student in State Islamic University of Alauddin Makassar. Now I'm in the fourth semester, and I made this video to complete the assignment 8 from my lecturer, Mr. Kahar. So he asked me um, to uh, to finish this task, and write about how to make effective literature review. Okay, let me start my explanation. The first, I would like to say thanks for Mr. Kahar to give me the assignment about how to rate a literature review as effective or as good as possible. It's necessary because this following reason. The first reason is, uh, many author it's not completely have knowledge what about what uh, what we have to feel in our literature review. Many of them just like feel the literature review as she can, but she didn't know what will we have to feel in the literature review. And the second reason is, many of the author it's just not understand well about how to how to make a literature review with a good structure, because literature review have a structure that we have to completely understand to make it effective, and many of authors it's not understand well about it. They are just fill their literature review by uh, present summarizing of each point for their research. Okay, then because of these following reasons that make it essential to make your literature review as good as possible. Okay, then literature review is a space or is a place that the author can give or can put a theory that must be relevant of their research field to develop or to build a quality a better quality in their research. uh, in the literature review, uh, the author the author used the theory that will be used as a whole in the discussion of research, and then from to write a good to write a good to write a good literature review in our research, that will be two parts that you have to finish it, and cannot be separated. The first is preface of related material. In the preface of related material, you may put the theories that have been produced by previous researchers that are relevant to your research, and then you may notice the difference between the previous researchers is theories and your theories that you use. Okay, then there are 5 things that must be filled in detail in this section, namely the first, who did the research. Second is when the researchers do the research. The third is what is the research focus on the paper of research. The fourth is how the researcher research their focus of the research. And lastly, what are the results of the researchers is research. And the second part is the theories that the author may put to build the research, strengthens the arguments, uh, and demonstrates the breadth of knowledge in our research. And as for the structure of making an effective literature review, there are 3 structures. The first is opening. In the opening, it's divided into 3 parts again that the author have to finish it. The first is the main topic. The main topic is fill in information on what the topic has been investigated. The second in the opening is supporting literature. In the supporting literature, the author may put the information on the seminal relevant works on the topic. And lastly, in the opening is mini summary that the writer have to put an information on the progress made since the seminal works. After completing the writing written form of the opening in your literature review, the second part is the body. In the body part of your literature review, there are 3 parts again. It's divided into three parts. The first is main topic again, but it's have a different discussion about opening. In the main part of the body, this is focus. This is the writer have to put the focus of the entire discussion in their research with a concealed introduction theory. And the second in the body part is supporting information. This is a further explanation from the author to make their research can be stronger and stand with their theory. And lastly is mini summary again. In mini summary of the body part, the author may give information about what gaps do this limitation reveal. Okay, sorry. I forget to say it. In supporting information, there are 2 parts again. The first, the author may put what are the most relevant recent works on their research, and the second is what are the achievements and limitations of these recent works. The last part is closing. In the closing, you may put 3 you may complete a 3 structure. The first is main idea. This is how the writer stating how the current study fills the gap. The second is supporting information again. Supporting information in closing is to put further information to support the explanation of the main idea. And lastly, in mini summary, the author reveals a summary of the 2 previous section by emphasizing the solution for the limitation of previous research and the result of their research. Okay, the result about the good structure to make your literature review as good as possible. Then for make it effective, we have to using appropriate tenses in our literature review. Generally, in overall discussion, the author use simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple present tense, simple past tense, and present perfect tense. So you may know it in the next discussion about how tenses is influenced in our literature review. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope this explanation can complete my grades in research in LTN card course. I really apologize because I have a lot of mistakes, especially in my speaking, about my pronunciation, about my grammar, and about the way I'm speaking. I hope everyone can understand. And yeah, I really apologize, and please put your suggestion in the commenter. And thanks for watching this video. Lastly, I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.